One of our clients, Len, is a founder of an e-commerce agency in the Philippines, and we created a strategy book for her brand. This is what she said after getting her strategy book.
I'm Lenedy Tamaray, and I'm the founder of Launch to Profit Media. So we help direct-to-consumer e-commerce brands increase their sales through conversion rate optimization. Now, before working with Jebel, I think I'm kind of consistent posting on my social media. But I know myself na I'm just posting for the sake of showing up. Like, kung anong maisip kong content ngayon, gagawin ko siya or isushoot ko siya today, and then ipopost ko din siya that day. So basically, there's no strategies in order for me to increase my brand awareness or even attract potential clients. So that's my situation before, and I also tried Instagram, but I got no results for like a couple of months. So we stopped it and I just focused on other platforms. So this year, in the next couple of years, our agency wanted to scale and serve more e-commerce businesses. So I thought maybe we can get an insight now from an expert, and gladly, a friend of mine referred Jebel. So, grabe, I can say na the value she gave me is more than the price siguro na I gave her. Like, feeling ko binarat ko siya kahit binayaran ko naman talaga sa OG price niya. Like, super valuable. The strategy document, super valuable, very detailed. It's like a total Instagram course. Like, she over-delivers also. And I know for sure na if you apply yung mga nakalagay sa strategy document, like, you will get result. It's just a matter of consistency and time. Also, a quick realization din, like, di ka pala talaga mauubusan ng content, no? You just have to have like the right strategy. So aside from that, I think yung favorite part is when Jebel explained to me the nitty-gritty of the strategy document to avoid overwhelm. And while we are talking, parang madami nagpapapaw sa akin na, oh, pwede ka tong gawin, etc. So, if you want to level up your social media, or if you're like me na may doubt na sa Instagram because you got no results in the past, maybe this is the sign for you to get Jebel. Kasi, promise, wala ka talaga yung pagsisisiyan. And, yeah. So, I highly recommend Jebel and her team, the best, very, very demure and very mindful.
If you have the same challenge as Lenedy, our strategy book can help you. It's a social media strategy plan customized for your brand.